Hi there YouTube friends, welcome back to Auntie A's Kitchen, and in the next few videos I'm going to be sharing some of my favourite gingerbread recipes, but for today I'm going to be making my version of a gingerbread man, but savoury, and we're going to be filling him with some Christmas flavoured sausage meat and serving him with some homemade cranberry sauce. So if you haven't already subscribed, make sure to hit that button so that you don't miss out when I post more delicious recipes in the lead up to Christmas. You can make your own puff pastry, but for ease today I'm going to be using some shop bought puff pastry, and one sheet's going to give you a total of 6 gingerbread men. So roll out your pastry using your cookie cutter, cut out your gingerbread men, and the spare pastry put back in your refrigerator until you're ready to roll it out again. For the filling today I'm using the same Christmas recipe that I showed you in another video, and I love the combination of flavours with the sage and pork and apple and walnuts, and if you want a vegetarian version there is one in this video as well. My 2 top tips when making these is to firstly take your time to make sure that you get an equal amount of meat in the body, legs and arms and head, so that when you take a bite you get a bite of everything. And secondly, although it's fiddly, make sure to leave a gap around the edge, as this is going to help you to seal your gingerbread man. Then when you finish pushing all of the sides down of your gingerbread men, you'll see in the video that I place a heart on top, and this just helps me know that there's meat inside, and if I make a vegetarian one then I'll place a different shape on the outside. Next, as you see in the video, I take a fork and just go around the edge to make sure that they're totally sealed, and then I'll use a knife to cut out the eyes, the smiley face, and you'll see me make marks where the arms and the legs are, and if you want to you can also cut in buttons. And if you're interested in making some different flavours, the next shorts video that I post, I make a camembert, cranberry and walnut puff pastry gingerbread man. The final thing you're going to want to do is to egg wash your savoury gingerbread men, then you're going to place them into a preheated oven 180°C for about 25 minutes until they're golden brown. And what I'll do is, while one lot is cooking in the oven, I'll be preparing the next lot of gingerbread men that will go straight in the oven when the others come out. If you want a fun, festive appetizer idea for this Christmas, then these savoury gingerbread men are going to be what you want to make, and I quickly cut one in half to show you a cross section so you can see how delicious it is. And I like to serve these alongside some homemade cranberry sauce, and I'll leave a link to this video on the channel. Now is all you need to decide: do you eat the arms, the legs or the head first?